Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. My crafting idea for today is to create a patriotic name tag. For this project I will be using this name tag I found at Dollar Tree. It is a Wi-Fi password sign, but I will be redesigning this. I will be using my glitter from the Dollar Tree, and they are craft or square glitter. I will be using the blue, the red, the iridescent, the gold, the silver. I also have my chalk paint out. I will be using the red, the blue, and the white. I also have my clear wax that I will be using as a sealant for my project. And I will be using some gems and some patriotic colored ribbons like the red, white, and blues. And I hope that you will join me. On my name tag, it comes with the cardboard chalkboard. So what I did is I just pried that off, and you use whatever you need. But it is glued with hot glue, so if you like, you can probably take a heating tool and to help loosen some of that. And I'm going to remove this jute cord up here and pull that off. I don't need that. I'm going to put this aside. And then the next thing I want to do is go ahead and pull off all this paper. I have removed the paper off the back. I did use a bit of a wet wipe to help remove the rest. And I also took the label off. You know, that's all preference. If you want to leave it on, it's up to you. I'm going to paint the base of the board white. I'm going to paint it on both sides. And I'm just using white chalk paint. I'm going to put a layer on and then see what it looks like. If I can, if the brown is showing through, I'm going to go ahead and do a second coat. I applied 2 coats of the white chalk paint on the front and the back. I want to put a border on my tag now, so I'm going to use the red chalk paint. I am using Imperial for the red color, and then for the blue color I'm going to use Nautical. I'm going to go ahead and work on the rest of my board, and I'm going to go ahead and put some music on. I've completed the border around my tag, and then down here I did like an inch wide strip of the red paint. I'm gonna change my paints. Instead of using chalk, I want to use the acrylic. So I have this 2 blue acrylic paint, and I'm going to use some black acrylic paint. I'm going to use the acrylic because it's easier flow when writing. And I want to do a little text right here. I'm going to write Happy 4th of July on the side here. And then I want to write USA down here. I have completed the script on my name tag here, and also I added USA on the bottom. Now I want to work on the side of the tag. I want to put fireworks on the side. So I want to use the metallic silver sterling as like an outline for my fireworks. I'm also going to add Inca gold for all the golds that I need to add. I'm going to go ahead and paint in the colors and then add my colored glitter on top of that. I have added glitter to the bursts, and I just put coordinating glitter on there. I put blue there, iridescent gold, red, silver, and then blue again down here. I like the way it turned out. Really cute. I am ready to add my ribbon to my tag. So I chose this white one. It has red and blue stars. It also has very tiny silver stars. So I trimmed two pieces of ribbon to 18 inches. I'm going to go ahead and stack these, even them out, and then attach it. I'm going to try to keep my ribbon stacked so I can tighten it like that. There we go. So here's my ribbon. So I can just leave it like this. It'll, hang down. Or if I need to tie it with something later on, I have the ribbon here to tie it off. And it can hang like that. But I plan to just display it just like this on my dining table. It is going to be part of my centerpiece. Look at that. I like it. I'm quite happy with the way it's turned out. I am just about done. I have my gems here. These gems came from the Dollar Tree, and they are about 6 millimeters. And I have a gem for each color of my firework there. And I'm going to put a gem right in the center of each one. Oops, lost that one. Tighten that one. Okay, and then I have gold. And we'll put one in the center there. I have the crystal ones here. We'll put one here. And then another one here. And I need a red one. And then I think I'm going to go ahead and put a blue one down here. It's not a full burst, fire burst or star burst, but I think it'll look good. Put that there. There we go. It gives it that extra cuteness that it needs, right? I like it. Okay, so here is my name tag, all complete. Well, I hope that you give these name tags a try. Pick up a name tag from Dollar Tree and redesign it to fit your decor or the season you're decorating for. And it doesn't necessarily have to be a large one like this. Dollar Tree does carry like smaller ones that you can redesign. And I hope that you like my project for today. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.